Hi, today we're working on this Lenovo. This is a G50 and we are going to be, yet again, changing the keyboard. Another spill. We do have a new keyboard. When you press the buttons, it's writing 2-3 letters at the same time. When you get to that level, no choice, change the keyboard. Okay, so looking at the new keyboard, there are 3 screws from underneath. Remove the battery. Okay, so there are some indicators here which screws belong to the keyboard. Always remove the battery when you're working on an open circuit board. If you drop a screw and there's no power, no chance of shorting something out. The last screw is underneath the sticker of Lenovo. That's your warranty sticker. Okay. Shouldn't be any clips since it's screwed down. Just along the sides. Oh no, there are a few clips. 3 along the top, 2 on either side. Lift your tab and out it comes. Nothing seems to have leaked through the keyboard onto the motherboard, so that's good news for the customer. Okay, put the screws back. This fan's pretty dusty, so while you're in here, some compressed air, blow that out. Okay, 1 second, let me just go and clean this dust out. I have my air blower outside. Right, cleaned up the fan. Just have a quick look, make sure everything's okay. No signs of any liquid on this side of the board either. Everything's looking good. Make sure your screws for your hinges are nice and tight, and that one's a bit loose. Okay. The RAM is seated properly. And that's it. So, covers back on. And this inlet vent here also blocked up as well. Right, so covers back on, and then this one can get back to the customer. Quick and easy job. So keyboard seems to be working fine. Let's just do a quick test. Yes, this keyboard's working perfectly. It's not repeating any keys or anything like that. Job is done. Thanks for watching. Remember, there's always a fix, and we'll see you in the next one.